Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have JBL Tour Pro 3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you're trying to pair them to your iPhone, to your Samsung, your Android, or any kind of other Bluetooth enabled device, either for the first time or you're trying to pair them with something new. Now, if you're trying to pair them for the first time with something that's quite straightforward, all you need to do is open the lid of the case as shown here with the earbuds in there, and they'll automatically go into pairing mode, so they'll be blinking blue, and then we're just going to go on our phone or other device and go to the list of available Bluetooth devices and select these Tour Pro 3s from that device. They'll automatically connect. Those lights will become solid blue, indicating they're connected, and then we can go from there. And then, when we close the case, they'll turn off, put them in the case, turn off. When we open it, they'll automatically reconnect. Now, if we want to pair them with something new, we can, turn the Bluetooth off on our device so they don't connect to that. But if we really want to, have them forget that device so that they pair with something new, pretty much the only way to do this is a factory reset. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. But anyways, which is basically you take the earbuds out of the case, and on either of the earbuds you do a short press, long press 5 seconds. So with both earbuds out of the case, short press, long press 5 seconds on either of the earbuds, and then you can go ahead, put the earbuds back in the case, close the case, then open it up. It will have forgotten anything that it's been paired with, so then you can go ahead and pair them with your new device.